Those are hard to watch.
And some tough skiers to see them get up and walk away from some of those wipeouts.
See, one of the things that happened is it's been getting very cold because of clear nights, so it's icing up. During the day it turns to slush, then it ices up. We see that occasionally here. So hopefully we'll be safe on the slopes over the next several days. We had an eagle. Beautiful shots of an eagle from Chopper 5. Photojournalist Carrie Jensen taking these pictures just east of Bountiful. Lovely. All right, let's get right to the forecast. The low pressure zone across the Pacific is sending a surge of moisture towards Utah. Cold air is in place. In the meantime, a very large ridge of high pressure over the top of northwestern parts of the U.S. and southwestern parts of Canada. As you can see on the satellite picture, clear skies. It's going to be 21 tonight at Whistler. Again, icing up the slopes, 44 in the afternoon, lots of sunshine tomorrow. Vancouver will be very close to, if not slightly above, 50. That's warm, but that's the way the Olympics have been. We had a cold front slide through this morning. It brought a little bit of snow to the Wasatch Front, some snow to Oak City and also over towards Price. It's associated with the low pressure now in Colorado. Temperatures today, 41 in Montpelier, 20 this morning, 38 in Logan, 32, that's a heat wave, 32 in Vernal. The cold winter weather finally warming up a little bit. Salt Lake City managed 45, and I want you to notice this, 66 in St. George. Not only is that the warmest day of the year in St. George, it's the warmest temperature yet this year in southern Utah, in Utah for that matter. 27 in Vernal right now, 24 in Rock Springs, 40 in Salt Lake City. We have a zone of low pressure, a cold front that is slicing through the center of Utah. On the west coast, the westerlies are punching through. And so the clash zone sets up and precipitation is going to be locally heavy, especially across central Utah. So with the cold air in place, the moisture now moving in from California, and the jet stream swinging south out of Canada, this is where the cold air is in place, and the warm front associated with that low pressure will start to produce light to moderate precipitation tomorrow afternoon across central and southern Utah. And then this area expands from southern portions of Idaho all the way through northern Arizona. Good chance for lower elevation rain and higher elevation snow on Saturday. 1 to 2 feet in the mountains of central and possibly southern Utah, maybe even as far north as the Southern Wasatch Front, and 6 to 12 inches between tomorrow afternoon and Sunday morning in places like Price and also Manti, Richfield, mainly above 5,500 feet. But the bottom line is pretty good chance for precipitation here, and traveling I-70 or I-80 could be a little dicey on Saturday. Rain in southern Utah Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday, and across the north. Increasing clouds throughout the afternoon. A slight chance late in the day for a little bit of snow. I don't expect a significant storm for tomorrow, but look what happens on Saturday. As the storm moves primarily through Provo, that's where the heaviest precipitation will be. Salt Lake and Ogden, we'll see a little bit of snow here as well. Sunday, lingering snow showers. Total accumulations 2 inches or less in Ogden and Logan. 2, maybe 4 inches south into the Salt Lake Valley, and maybe more than 6 inches from Provo south towards Nephi, Richfield, Manti, and even Cedar City. Cedar City could even see 6 to 10.
Yeah, most of the state.
Yeah, higher upper 40s. That's
warming up a little bit later on.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
You're welcome. A bomb threat forced a plane to make an emergency landing at the Salt Lake Airport this morning.
The plane was headed for San Francisco. A flight attendant found a note with a bomb threat. Air traffic control had the plane land in Salt Lake. Crews removed all the passengers and luggage. Investigators didn't appear to find anything suspicious on the plane. An airport spokeswoman said there was no bomb, but the threat caused major delays for passengers. The FBI and airport police are working together on the investigation. The district attorney's office is looking at possible charges against